Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are doing another quiz which is naming all 49 countries in Asia. So we will be having given 10 minutes to name all the 49 countries in Asia. So we'll try to get all of them. So let's start. First we'll go with Russia, easy, and then India, then Qatar, and then UAE, which is United Arab Emirates, and then Maldives. Now let's do the neighboring countries of India first. Bhutan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Myanmar, Myanmar, Laos, and then Nepal. No, we are not done. Nepal, and then we have got Bangladesh. Yes, we are not done. Bangladesh, and then we have got Tajikistan, then Kuwait. So we are done with 14, which is very good. And then Kazakhstan, then Korea, so North Korea, South Korea, and then Japan, and then Mongolia, and then China, which will be here. Uh, and then Kyrgyzstan, KYR, and then GY. Not able to remember the spelling. ZSTN. Yes, it is correct. And then Uzbekistan, and then Turkmenistan, Turkmenistan, and then we have got Azerbaijan, Azerbaijan. Okay, we have to put a space over here. Still, I think the spelling is wrong. Azerbaijan. I think it's correct. I think are we done with it? Okay, let's leave this one and go to other. Bahrain, Turkey, Georgia, and then Iraq and Iran, and then Oman, Yemen, Saudi Arabia, Lebanon, Israel, Palestine, and then we are left with, okay, that's a lot. Uh, then we have got Taiwan, Sri Lanka, Philippines, Emirates, Guys, I'm trying to do as fast as I can. Malay. I every time get yes, Malaysia, and then Cambodia. Myanmar we are done, and then Thailand. Thailand it goes there. Vietnam, and then Indonesia, and then also only four more left. Okay, Azer Azerbaijan. Let's try again. Azerbaijan. Yes, now it went. Before I don't know why it was not going. Then Syria, and then Jordan. Now we are only left with one country. Okay, and we have a lot of time. Is it Armenia? Yes, guys, we are done with all the uh, countries in Asia with 3 minute 58 seconds left. So that is very good, and we got 100% nailed it. Take a victory lap. So this was for today's video. Next time we'll try and do a harder map. So I hope you also can try and type in the comment box how much time you took to do this, and please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and click the bell icon to get all my latest updates. Thanks for watching.